Hey there, it's John from Tiny, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up TinyMCE's LMS starter config loading from the cloud. We built this starter config based on LMS best practices and how some of our customers, including Blackboard, McGraw-Hill, and Desire to Learn, use TinyMCE. You can use it for building your own LMS from scratch or adding rich text editing capabilities to your existing LMS. Okay, let's take a look at how to set it up. First, you're going to want to head over to tiny.cloud, click on Solutions, and go to Learning Management System. Then scroll down to the starter config. We have two versions of the config, one without code tips and one with code tips. If you're new to TinyMCE, we recommend the version with code tips. I'm going to copy that config over to my text editor here, paste it in, and save it. Then I'm going to reload it on my local web server. So it looks good, but I've got an error here saying that the domain is not registered with Tiny. So I need to go into my account, copy over my API key, and paste it into the script tag where I'm including TinyMCE. I'll save it, reload the page, and there we go. We've got the full featured LMS starter config on my local web server. From here, you can take the code, put it into your app, and play around with the settings to make it perfect for your LMS. If you don't have a TinyMCE API key, you can head over to our pricing page and sign up for a free 14-day trial to try out all the premium features included in the starter config. The 14-day trial also comes with access to our support team, which can help you get started if you get stuck. So what's next? You're going to want to learn how to get and set content from the editor. I've included a link in the description for you to check that out. We're going to be releasing a lot more content on rich text editing in LMSs, so be sure to check out our YouTube channel and head over to our blog for more resources. Good luck.